Sea anemones are fascinating marine animals that may look like plants, but they are actually predatory creatures related to jellyfish and corals. Found in oceans all over the world, these colorful, soft-bodied animals anchor themselves to rocks, coral reefs, or the ocean floor, using their sticky foot-like base called a petal disc. Their tentacles, lined with stinging cells, nematocysts, help them capture prey like small fish and plankton by injecting venom to paralyze them. Despite their fearsome hunting skills, sea anemones often form symbiotic relationships with other marine life, such as clownfish, which gain protection from predators by living among the anemone's tentacles. Some species can even move slowly or float to new locations if needed. With over 1,000 species varying in size and color, sea anemones are truly one of the ocean's most beautiful and unique creatures.